Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage I, Ken, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. Ken took the pen. He shouldn't take it, of course. The teacher had said to use pencils. Ken didn't care. He liked pens. He wrote his name, Ken, at the top of the book in the left corner, just like he was supposed to. Ken, what did you do? Asked the teacher, taking the attendance folder from his hands. Please sit down and do not do that again. Questions. What did Ken do? Why did the teacher get angry at Ken? Why was Ken wrong to take the pen? Where might Ken be? How do you know that? Now let's check the answers. What did Ken do? Well, Ken took the pen. That's the first thing Ken did. We could also say that Ken wrote his name on the attendance folder. It says he wrote his name Ken, and he did it on the attendance folder. Why did the teacher get angry at Ken? Ken was not supposed to write his name on the attendance folder. We know that because the teacher said, do not do that again. Why was Ken wrong to take the pen? Well, the teacher had said to use pencils. It says that in the third sentence. Where might Ken be, and how do you know that? Well, he's probably in a classroom or at school, and we know that because a teacher is talking to him. Thank you for your time. How did you go?